Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your funds from your OKX wallet to any method you would like, such as your bank account. This is going to be a very easy video to watch, so make sure to like and subscribe if you find it very useful. Now, first thing we're going to do is download an app called Swissborg. This app is going to make this whole process much easier, more direct, and with lower fees. Here's why we're using Swissborg. Apps like OKX don't allow easy withdrawals to bank accounts. With Swissborg, it's quick and works with any bank. The steps are simple. Transfer your crypto to Swissborg using Solana. Then, convert to your preferred currency. And lastly, withdraw to your bank account in minutes from the Swissborg app. To do so, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or scroll down until you see the top pinned comment. Click on that and it will redirect you to this website right here. And so you have the code Gummy5, which you're going to use once you sign up to the app, once you download it on your phone. And also you can win up to 100 euros on the scratch that they do from time to time. So once you do all this, let's go back to the video and check how we do it. As you can see right here, we're on the OKX wallet. We're going to go to the portfolio section on the bottom right, and then we're going to click on withdraw. Once you do that, click on withdraw crypto, and then choose whatever crypto you might like. So for me, I'm using USDT. And then from here, you're going to click on exchanges or wallets in the middle section. And then you're going to choose whatever network you would like. I'm going to choose Ethereum because that's the one that we're going to deal with. Now we're going to go back to the Swissborg app, and then from here we're going to go to the portfolio. From here we're going to click on deposit, and then the last option below, crypto transfer. And then after that we're going to search for USDT, which is the crypto that we already have, and that's why we want to use it to deal with it. Simply click on the copy and copy it to your clipboard. Go back to the OKX wallet, and then here on the address, fill it for the one that you just copied and the withdrawal amount. And after you enter them and you enter them successfully, you're going to submit the amount to your Swissborg app and you'll receive it in 5 minutes maximum. After that, you're going to go back to the home page, go back to the portfolio, and then from here, you're going to click on the USDT that you just received or any crypto, and then you're going to exchange it in the middle to any fiat currency of your liking. So for example, we're going to use euros. Click on any amount, and then from here, you can see that the Tether USDT is going to euros. After that, you're going to click on confirm, and then you'll go back to the coins that you have, and euros will be right there. Click on the withdraw on the bottom right section. And so once you have the appropriate amount, you're going to fill in your IBAN or your account number, and from there it will send it directly to your bank account. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.